Have you ever wondered how your smartphone recognizes your voice or how your email filters out spam? The answer lies within a field of technology known as artificial intelligence, or AI for short. AI, a term coined in the mid-20th century, refers to the simulation of human intelligence processes by machines, especially computer systems. It includes learning, reasoning, problem-solving, perception, and language understanding. Consider a young child learning to identify animals. They see a dog and someone tells them, "That's a dog." Through repetition of this process, the child learns to associate the image of a dog with the word dog. This is similar to how AI works, a process known as machine learning. Machine learning is a subset of AI that involves the practice of using algorithms to pass data, learn from it, and then make a determination or prediction about something in the world. It's not about programming specific tasks, it's about the machine learning to identify patterns and making decisions based on those patterns. Another subset of AI is deep learning. Imagine the earlier example of a child learning to identify a dog. Now, consider the child identifying not just a dog, but different breeds of dogs, their age, or even their emotional state. This is akin to deep learning. It's a more intricate layer of machine learning, using neural networks with several layers. Hence, it's often referred to as a neural network with many layers. Now, let's delve into neural networks. These are computing systems vaguely inspired by the biological neural networks that constitute animal brains. An artificial neural network is an interconnected group of nodes, akin to the vast network of neurons in a brain. Here, each circular node represents an artificial neuron and an arrow represents a connection from the output of one neuron to the input of another. One of the main drivers of AI advancement is data. Consider data as the food for AI. The more data you feed it, the better it performs. This is why tech giants like Google and Facebook, who have access to vast amounts of data, are leading the way in AI development. Artificial intelligence has the potential to revolutionize many areas of life, from healthcare and education to entertainment and commerce. However, it also raises ethical and societal concerns. For instance, how do we ensure that AI systems make fair and unbiased decisions? And how do we protect jobs that could be automated by AI? These are complex issues that society needs to address. To summarize, artificial intelligence is the simulation of human intelligence by machines. It includes subsets like machine learning, where machines learn from data, and deep learning, which uses complex neural networks to simulate human decision-making processes. Data fuels AI, and it has the potential to revolutionize many aspects of life, but it also raises important ethical and societal issues. In essence, artificial intelligence stands at the forefront of technological advancement, promising a future where machines can mimic human intelligence, learn from experiences, make decisions, and solve complex problems. But as we continue to feed these machines with more data and refine their learning capabilities, it is vital to consider the ethical implications and societal impacts. A future with AI is not just about technological advancement, but also about responsible innovation and use.